Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore top 10 mistakes English learners must avoid. Hey everyone, are you making these common mistakes in English without even realizing it? Whether you are learning the language or a native speaker, small errors can make a huge difference. But don't worry, today we are going to clear up the most common English mistakes people make when speaking, and by the end of this video, you'll be speaking more confidently and fluently than ever. Plus, stick around because in a few minutes, I'm going to share an amazing app that can help you correct your English in real time. Trust me, you're going to love this. First mistake, I am understanding it. Wrong. It should be I understand it because understand is a stative verb और stative verbs कभी भी continuous या progressive form में use नहीं होती हैं. ओके स्टेटिव वर्ब्स में आता है लाइक वर्ब ऑफ इमोशन एंड प्रेफरेंस जैसे कि लव हेट लाइक प्रेफर डिसलाइक ये भी कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म में यूज नहीं होंगी और वर्ब्स ऑफ थिंकिंग और मेंटल स्टेट लाइक नो बिलीव अंडरस्टैंड रिमेंबर फॉरगेट थिंक verbs of possession have own possess belong verbs of senses and perception see hear taste feel smell verbs of existence and relationship be seem और appear तो ये सारी verbs कभी भी प्रोग्रेसिव फॉर्म में यूज़ नहीं होंगी इस बात का आपको ध्यान रखना है इसको आप लर्न भी कर सकते हैं या फिर प्रैक्टिस में बोलते रहेंगे तो आपको इजिली याद हो जाएगा सेकेंड मिस्टेक आई वॉन्ट दैट यू हेल्प मी दिस इज रॉन्ग इट शुड बी आई वॉन्ट यू टू हेल्प मी because we always use want followed by the object and the infinitive verb to help. Object यहाँ पे क्या है you, okay? और infinitive क्या हो गया to help. Second example, I want her to clean the room. Her is the object. I want you to do the laundry. यहाँ पे you क्या हो गया आपका object. जब भी आप किसी और से काम करवाना चाहते हो तब इस तरह के sentences use कर सकते हैं. Okay? Let's move on to next mistake. My flight will depart at 6 a.m. This is wrong. My flight departs at 6 a.m. This should be the right one. Reason being, जब भी हम scheduled events की बात करते हैं we use present simple like trains के scheduled times होते हैं meetings होती हैं buses के होते हैं banks के होते हैं so examples और देखते हैं the meeting starts in 10 minutes or the bus arrives every 10 minutes because they have a scheduled time they will run every 10 minutes. The store closes at 10 p.m. because they have already mentioned a specific time, scheduled time 10 p.m. Okay? मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स को ये प्रॉब्लम आती है कि अभी हम जैसे कुछ मिस्टेक्स तो कवर करें बट कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि स्टूडेंट को कोई खुद का ट्यूटर चाहिए होता है जिससे वो सारी प्रॉब्लम्स पूछ सके उसके लिए मेरे पास आपके लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छा एप्लीकेशन है स्पार्की एआई जो कि एक आपका एक पर्सनल ट्यूटर की तरह एक्ट करता है जिससे आप कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं किसी भी टॉपिक के बारे में किसी सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं तो ये आपकी इंग्लिश मिस्टेक्स भी करेक्ट करेगा जब भी आप जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्ड है जिसको आप सिंपली समझना चाहते हैं उसके बारे में पूछ सकते हैं so in this app you can chat about anything with AI correct your mistakes understanding all terms easily and check your performance and it creates personalized plans based on your preferences and makes you understand difficult terms in an easy way and it will give you 45 minutes free to explore the app and if you like it further you can take the plans as per your choice. So you can see there are a lot of stuff available on this application to explore. So do check the link in the description to download this app. A short tutorial of this app.
Hi. What's your dream job, Leo?
My dream job is accounts receivable in healthcare industry.
That's a well-structured response, Leo. You're aiming high. What interests you about accounts receivable in the healthcare industry?
Because accounts receivable job role, main job role is speaking English.
So let's move on to the next mistake. I didn't have a word with her since last Friday. So this is wrong. It should be I haven't had a word with her since last Friday. With since we don't use did, we should use have then verb की third form. So have की third form होती है had. That's why we have used had here. So have a word means to talk. Okay? Let's see some more examples of this type of mistake. I haven't met them since 10 June. It should not be I didn't met them since 10 June. Okay? Moving on to the next mistake. Mistake number 5. I suggested him to go to the doctor. This is wrong. Correct one should be I suggested that he go to the doctor. So, in formal English, after verbs like suggest, recommend, insist and demand, we use the subjunctive mood. More examples of these sentences. I suggest that she stay here, not stays here. General rule says we should use stays with she, he. Okay, but in the subjunctive mood we use stay only. Okay, another example, they demanded that he apologize, not apologizes. Okay, तो ये चीज ध्यान रखनी है, जब भी हम सब्जेक्टिव मूड में कोई सेंटेंस बनाते हैं तो उसमें ही शी के साथ वर्ब की बेस फॉर्म आएगी. ओके, the subjunctive mood uses the base form of the verb, example go, without any changes for tense or subject agreement. So even though he is singular, we still use go, not goes. Using goes would be incorrect in this context because it would imply the indicative mood, which isn't used after these verbs. So there are two types of moods in English, indicative mood or subjunctive mood. Indicative mood is used for statements of fact, opinions, questions about reality. It is the most common mood in English and is used when you are certain about something. And subjunctive mood is used to express wishes, suggestion, unreal or hypothetical situation and doubts. It often looks different because verbs don't always change form in the same way as in the indicative mood. So I hope you're clear with both these things. The next common mistake which one should avoid is I'm not sure if he can be able to come. This is wrong. Right one should be I'm not sure if he will be able to come. The reason for this is can and be able to means the same. So using both is redundant. So या तो आप can use कर लीजिए या फिर be able to use कर लीजिए. Okay? Next mistake. I'm looking forward for the weekend. This is wrong. Look forward to something. So I'm looking forward to the weekend. So जब भी आप look forward का use करेंगे तो उसके साथ हमेशा क्या use करेंगे? Look forward to something. Next mistake. He didn't reply me. This is wrong. Right one should be he didn't reply to me. क्योंकि reply के साथ हमेशा preposition to लगेगा और followed by a person. तो me यहाँ पे क्या है? Person. Next is next common mistake you should avoid is I would like some advices on this matter. This is wrong. It should be I would like some advice on this matter because advice is uncountable, so you will not make it plural. Okay, so advices will be incorrect. Next common mistake which you should avoid is mistake number 9. We can discuss about this tomorrow. ये बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं कि we'll discuss about this, we'll discuss about that. So this is wrong. It should be we can discuss this tomorrow. We can discuss this tomorrow because discuss doesn't require about to be used in a sentence. Next mistake. Next mistake जो लोग अनजाने में बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं वो sentence बोलते हैं can you repeat again? So this is actually wrong. Right sentence should be can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Because repeat का खुद का मतलब ही होता है again. So using it with again will be redundant. Okay? I hope आज का ये वीडियो आपको प्रोडक्टिव लगा हो. अगर आप भी ये कॉमन मिस्टेक्स रिपीट कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज इन्हें चेंज कर लीजिए सो दैट आपकी इंग्लिश में इंप्रूवमेंट हो. एंड दैट वॉज ऑल फॉर टुडे. आज का वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए. कोई क्वेरी हो तो अभी भी मुझे आप कमेंट्स में बता सकते हैं. एंड थैंक्स लॉट फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू अगेन इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन बाय बाय.